Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. and it is snowing outside right now. Well, that's picking up on camera. But it is snowing. There's about a good layer of ice everywhere too. So very slick, but I'm treading lightly. Yeah, it looks beautiful out here this morning. Very peaceful, very serene. My god, snare. Yep, it's snowing out here. Ooh, it's brisk, it's cold. I should have worn some more clothes, but you know, as Texans, we some wild people. Yep, it's cold. Alright, I'm about to go back in. Freezing. This is off the back porch. The backyard. I'm standing right here with the door open. But all the neighborhood kitties are out running around early this morning. Yep, it's snowing. It's very it's a sight we don't see too often here in Texas, to see actual snow. You know, of course, last night we got a lot of ice, but it's actually snowing today, which is nice. But ground is slick, very slick. Yeah, like I said, I don't know how well you can see the snow on camera, but it is snowing. Look, there goes one of them kitty cats right now. Hopefully they were nice and warm last night and out of this cold, but it wouldn't surprise me if they wasn't. They're all strays. They're a bunch of stray cats, and some of them go over here to my neighbor's, and she's got a little area where she lets them in, so hopefully they were all in there last night. If not, well, you know, ain't much I can really do about it. They won't let me go grab them. They're all skittish and too afraid. But, man, just check that out. So pretty. So beautiful. Look, there it goes again. You see it off the corner? Yep. Bunch of snow. And it is, what's today's date? The 25th?
24th, I think. No, today's the 25th.
Yep. It is January 25th, 2026. And normally, we don't see this until about February here. So, it's come a little early this year, which is nice. And they're expecting us to be cold this whole week and more of this next weekend. So, fun times we're having. Fun times. Hear the birds out already this morning. Yep. Okay, well.
So beautiful. You should see it too. You should see a lot more of it right here. So beautiful. Isn't that too so? Did I slip those?
Yeah.
It's done!
Look at all the birds up there. Hitchcock would be proud.
It's coming down a lot now.
In the words of our good friend Adam the Woo, Hitchcock would be proud.
I don't think anyone's going anywhere today. But there are going to be the few who's going to get up.